Must I put it, my lord?
I hear steel side.
Yes.
Albertine, Jamiston,
In
Dunkel,
Albertine.
where?
In Albertine, my lord.
Hey, my lord.
Yes.
Okay, so twice. Albertine, there's a dumping area.
In Albertine, Heidelberg Road is a dumping area.
Then Albertine, there's a steel side.
Still site.
Right.
As in the same vicinity.
Okay, steel side and yeah, fine. And then this is what he says. Are you saying at that stage at the steel site in Albertine?
Yes, in fact, we have since received the record, my lord.
Oh, so you guys
And on page 23 of the report,
is where Mr. Ngomezulu puts the version.
yes.
Yeah.
And then Mr. Mgomezulu says, then you immediately after that, you actually moved from that place that is now from the filling station, and you went next to a dumping area on the way to Albertine. Then Mr. Mukhani says, I want to find out what, it's not clear. Then Mr. Mgomezulu says, immediately after that incident of tubing, assaulting, the cars traveled, all of them to the dumping area. Then Mukhani says, I dispute that because I do not remember us passing a dumping area. Then Mr. Mgomezulu says, all the cars stop at the area, and at the area there are stairs. There are steel stairs with steel poles. Then Mr. Mukhani says, I'm still disputing that. I'm still disputing what I have heard. I'm reiterating. Then Mr. Mgomezulu says the following. Just those that I just want my colleague to find them, please. Then Mr. Mgomezulu says, yes, so the handcuffs were taken out from the hands of the accused, where he was handcuffed from behind, and one of his hands with the handcuff, the other handcuff was put on that steel, on the steel pipe. Then Mukhani answered that that is not true. Then Mr. Mgomezulu put it to Mukhani, then his jacket was taken off. Mukhani says that's not true.
Then it was poured with water.
And Mr. Mgomezulu says then the assault continued as previous. And Mukhani says that is not true. Then Advocate Mgomezulu said Brigadier Gininda, should be Gininda, but he is in Kabinda. Gininda arrived in a white BMW with Sergeant Mokgola and one gentleman with the braces.
Okay. Okay, fine. That's how it was put.
This basically what we are putting to the witness.
Okay.
What is your comment that you arrived at this place, this steel place where accused number 2 was being assaulted, that you arrived with Brigadier Gininda in a white BMW with a gentleman in braces?
lendawo lana nafika khona noBrigadier Gininda la umsolwa ayesekhona endaweni enginsini la afika washaya khona umsolwa ukuthi wena wafika noBrigadier Gininda nenye indoda ke egqoke ama-crossbar.
My lord, that is not the truth.
Lokho akulona iqiniso.
When, my lord, I left with Brigadier Gininda,
mangihamba kusuka noBrigadier Gininda,
I went, my lord, to drop him off at the office.
ngahambe ngayomshiya office.
Sorry, but sorry, so that we all understand. When I left with Gininda, I went to drop him at the office. From where did you leave?
From his employer, my lord.
From?
Carltonville.
Yes.
Yeah, fine.
At the at accused number 2's workplace.
Okay, so it was from Carltonville.
Yes, from there, my lord, I drove straight to Eratin.
Ukusuka lapho ke uma ngisengiqeda ukuyomdropa ukena Gininda ngimdropa eRoton.
And my lord, we parted ways.
Hayi sahlukana la.
Yes.
So, my lord, there is nothing else, my lord, which took place, my lord, on that day where, my lord, I was involved.
Akukho okunye waphinda wenzeka la engangikhona mina.
I think we're talking about the 19th of June 2020, the following day.
Ngilanga elilandelana umhla 19 June 2020.
You book out accused number 1 to
What
take him
happens?
to court,
Wakhipha umsolo wokuqala wamisa
as
enkantolo.
you've just put on record, and then returned him just after 12. Is that correct?
Emva kwalokho wasimbuyisa nje emva kwehora ka-12.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjani?
I was never anywhere, garage or still places, my lord. I don't even know what it looks like.
Angikaze ngiye nje seseduze negaraji noma la kuney'nsimbi khona.
Because, my lord, I had to take accused number 1 to Tembisa Magistrate Court.
Ngangifanele ukuthi ngithathe umsolo wokuqala ngiyise emahhovisi emantshi aseThembisa.
What is being said, my lord, is untruthful.
Lokho okukhulunywayo akulona iqiniso.
Now, according to this version that was put to Sergeant Mokgola, it is alleged that they drove to Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital still on the 19th of June 2020,
Umhla ka-19 bahamba baya eChris Hani Baragwanath Hospital.
pick up Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu,
Bathiwa lapho-ke bafika bathatha uLieutenant Colonel Rapadu.
where he was there with his wife and
Lapho
a child.
ayetholakale khona lapho nengane.
They say he handed the keys to his wife,
Sure.
and then they proceeded to Orlando,
Kuthiwa lapho-ke uColonel Rapadu wanika enkosikazi wakhe okhiye baseqhubeka kuyiwa e-Orlando.
stopped at an empty area where there were disused autoteller machines.
Kuthiwa-ke bafika kwenye indawo bahamba khona la kwakukhona ama-teller machine la ayephukile.
The cars were parked.
Imoto-
Accused number 2 was taken out of the motor vehicle,
Sure.
and the assault continued.
Kuthiwa-ke iy'moto zafike zama lapho umsolo wakhishwa emotweni waseqhubeka-ke ngokushaya.
And that you and Brigadier Gininda arrived there.
Kuthiwa wena-ke noBrigadier Ganenda nafika la.
That Brigadier Gininda opened the boot of the vehicle, sat on the edge, and took out certain documents and gave them to Colonel Rapadu. And the
Sure.
accused was forced to append his thumbprint on those documents. So what is your comment?
Kuthiwa khona Ganenda wafika lapho avula imoto afika sehlala la ebhuthini yemoto la eyivulile wakhipha amanye amadokhumenti. Uthini ngalokho?
My lord, that is not the truth.
Cha, akulona iqiniso leyo.
I was never at Baragwanath, my lord.
Angikaze ngiyeBaragwana.
Orlando.
Orlando.
Nase-Orlando.
And my lord, I was never driving in a white BMW
Angikaze
on that day.
ngalelo langa ngangahambi nge-BMW emhlophe.
And my lord, the first time I met with Colonel Rapadu,
Uqala kwamhlangana noColonel Rapadu.
it was when, my lord, he came to testify. I did not know him, my lord, prior to that.
Kuthiwa ngathi mhlangana ngelanga eze uzoletha ubufakazi ngaphambi kwalokho angangakaze ngihlangane naye.
So, my lord, what is being said is not the truth.
Kusho ukuthi lokho ukukhulunywayo akulona iqiniso.
Sorry, you're saying the first time you met
Colonel
Colonel
Rapadu.
Rapadu was here,
Yes,
at this court.
my lord, I did not know Colonel Rapadu.
Ngangiqala ngawubona uColonel Rapadu la kule nkantolo ngangakaze ngimbone ngaphambili.
Yeah.
Now, the BMW, the white BMW referred to here, do you know such a vehicle?
Yes, le BMW ekhulunywa ngayo la kuthiwa emhlophe.
My lord, I am now driving in a white BMW.
Yebo sengihamba nge-BMW emhlophe.
Probably, my lord, accused number 2, my lord. You know, he saw me driving the BMW, and now he's taking chances, my lord, to say, on that day I was driving in a white BMW.
Ya ngoba manje sengihamba ngaleyo moto i-BMW emhlophe manje umsolwa wesibili usezama ukuthi athi-ke ngalelo langa ngangihamba ngaleyo moto.
Yeah, but the point is, the question pertinently is, the BMW, you say Ginanda sat on the boot
My lord,
and you were there.
my lord, it is not the truth. As I have indicated, my lord, that I had to take accused number 1 to Tembisa Police Station.
Hayi kulaa mqiniso lawo ngoba njengoba sengishilo ngifake ngithatha umsolwa wokuqala ngiyise eThembisa Police Station.
Tembisa Court.
Tembisa Magistrate Court, my lord.
Kulungisa lapho wawuyisethembisa Magistrate Court ingekhona ePolice Station.
So, my lord, such incident did not take place.
Cha into enjalo-ke ayikaze yenzeka.
Now, you did mention that you do drive this white BMW. When was it allocated to you?
Waqala nini-ke ukusebenzisa le BMW emhlophe?
In 2021, my lord.
Ngaqala ukusebenzisa mhla ngo-2021.
Now, in 2020, June 2020, were you ever using this vehicle, the white BMW?
Ngo-2020 wawuke wayisebenzisa le moto yehlobo le-BMW?
That's not, I was not, my lord, using the BMW white in color in 2020, my lord.
Ngangayisebenzisile leyo BMW emhlophe ngo-2020.
Right, now after you've booked back accused number 1 in the cells on 2020, what happened further?
Kwenzekani-ke emva kokuthi uphindisele umsolwa wokuqala emaseleni ka-19 kuJune 2020?
After booking him back at the police station,
Yes.
Sengibuyisele ePolice Station wathi yebo.
I went, my lord, to the office,
Ngaphindele ehhovisi.
and thereafter, my lord, I received a call
Emva kwalokho ngathola ucingo.
from Brigadier Gininda, my lord, who was then a colonel,
Ngathola ucingo oluvela kuBrigadier Gininda owangalesi sikhathi wayesewucolonel.
to say that there's an investigation, my lord, that we have to pursue in Northwest Puking.
Wathi sasifanele siyowenza uphenyo endaweni yasePhuking eNorthwest.
Those are good cases. Malak, we're going to start a new topic. Is it perhaps the appropriate time to adjourn at this stage? It's
Okay.
almost 3:30.
That's all. Okay, tomorrow then at 10 o'clock.